Hi guys! In this video, we're going to practice fitting cabinets automatically. First, for one-click components, select Properties, then select the frame. Then select Fitting, tick Generate Fitting, and then select the type in the box. Tick the box No Door Connector to not generate connectors for the doors. Select the type for edge banding and also groove. So here we've got cam lock connector, edge banding, and back groove. Tick the box All edge banding to band all edges of the panels. To change the type for edge banding, fitting, and groove, just select another type for it. For example, dog bone. And to make connectors dog bone at the corners, select Hole at Corner. And in case I create an adjustable shelf, for example for this one, then in adjustable dowel, select the type, and then generate fitting. So it's gonna create adjustable holes for the shelf. Next, for the frames that are not one-click components or exploded components, select the frame, and then select Autogenerate Connector. Tick the options to be done. And select the types below. Then hit Execute. To change another type for edge banding, groove, or connector, just do it again. Select it, then select the tool. And select another type. And hit Execute. So this is how we fit the cabinets automatically with one-click tools. For other two instructions, see you in the next videos. The information for purchasing products, upgrading software packages, community support links for users, and consultation are provided below the description.